Hey guys, warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. This is Praveen and I'm going to show you today Keto Egg Coleslaw Salad. This is something amazing. It's filled with cabbage, which means that a great source of vitamin C. It's time to see the recipe. Let's go.
1 cup of cabbage, 20 grams of carrot and 1 tablespoon of celery chopped, stevia powder, mayonnaise, almond milk unsweetened, apple cider vinegar, 2 whole eggs boiled and chopped, some rock salt, and you can have oregano as optional for taste. First, in a mixing bowl, we're going to add our cabbage. Next, we're going to add our carrot and celery. It's a super easy and a super quick salad. To this, we're going to add 15 grams, approximately 3 tablespoons of almond milk unsweetened. Next, we're going to add some salt to it. Next, we're going to add some black pepper. Then we're going to add our 2 whole eggs. Then we're going to add about half a tablespoon of stevia powder. Then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Next comes our main ingredient, that's mayo. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons of the same. And now we are going to mix our salad. There you go. Our super easy and super healthy Keto Egg Coleslaw Salad is ready. Lastly, you can add some oregano and season the same.
Alright, here it is. You guys know that cabbage is very low in calories. At the same time, very preferable when it comes to the keto diet because of the content of the carbohydrates it has. Now, on the other hand, you want to make sure that you please subscribe and hit that bell icon. The reason being that we do release 7 videos which is on fitness, on recipes, about workouts. So you actually get everything under one roof. Alright, so thank you so much for tuning in. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.